Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Muhammad Asad Khan and my this lesson number 10, Excel lesson number 10 is about how to save time by making less errors through data validation. So data validation tool is the one of the most strongest tool in Excel and it is used to basically control the entries. So suppose I have again used the data which I used in my previous session in session 9.5. So I'm using the same data because you're familiar with it. So suppose that I want to make these entries, the 7 entries, these entries, the standard entries. In future, I just want that if any person enters the value here, the values should remain within the limit of these seven items: meat, beef, chicken, beverages, pampers for children, milk, and butter. So I don't want any entries like coffee or any other like shoes or basketball or cricket ball or anything else or sports wears. So I want to restrict within these 7 items. So for that very purpose, I need to restrict the entries. And about the units, I just want to stick with these kg number liters. So I don't want any entries in feet, inches, centimeter, meters, anything else. So unit I want to be standard on these 3 items. And similarly, purchased from, I want to be specific about these 4 superstores, superstore 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't want any person to go on superstore 5 or 6 or 7 or XYZ. I just want to remain strict with these 4 superstores. So I just go on validation on data first. Please check on the ribbon. Yes, on data first, and then I will come on this data validation and data validation again, and come to data validation criteria and allow. In allow, you can basically select list here. See, and from list, you can basically just copy it from here. But I would recommend it rather from copying it from here, just first close it, cancel it, copy it, copy the standard items you want to be fixed. Copy here in the next sheet. Control C, Control V, shortcut for copy. For kgs, copy kg liter, kg number and liter here again in the next column of sheet 3. See, here I have pasted it. And what I will do is I will delete this number. No repetition. Okay, I have basically eliminated the repetition. And again, superstore 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's basically repeating 2, 1, 3 is a repeater, so I don't want to copy it. I just remain strict with 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I will copy it here at column C. Again, coming back to sheet 0. Now I will go on data validation. Data validation, any values list. From list, yes, I will select the source. So what I want here at meat, I want this list. Okay, I have selected it and I have basically okay. See, it's basically appearing here. But one other thing also, if I see meat, beef, chicken, beverages, milk, butter, and if I can select chicken here, but if I select anything else than this list like football, See what the message is here. This value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay, you can basically go on retry and you can select again. It's not basically letting you select it's chicken or any other value which is basically appearing in this list. You can select it. One other thing you can do is you can basically write your own error message, input message and error message. Error message title invalid entry, okay, and error message only the values from the given list can be selected, okay, and I have okayed it. Now now the error message which I have given, it will appear here rather than the message default message which was basically appearing by the Office Excel, MS Excel. So write coffee here. I'm writing coffee here. See, the message has now changed. Invalid entry, only the values from the given list can be selected. Now my error message is basically appearing instead of the default message of the Excel. What you can do now is you can simply copy it, copy this cell for the remaining cells and shift down arrow and go till the end. And I will tell you another option of paste special. Go on paste special, Control Z, Control C, select and go on paste special. On paste special, there is basically formats, formulas, format. So you want to copy the formats and validation. Sorry, validation. You want to copy the validation here. See, now, yes, this basically list button is appearing with every value. So you can simply, what you can do is you can delete it, or what you can do is you can basically copy it and you can paste it in further cells which are coming for the future. Copy this and paste it here and delete it. When you delete it, your validation will remain there, but the values which are the text which were appearing, which was appearing, or the value which was appearing is no more there. See, the list is coming, but the values are, it's basically empty cell. So you can basically select it from here. You can select it from here. So it's restricted entry. Whatever else you can want to type, it won't allow you to do that. See the error message which you have given, it's basically appearing here. So this is one. And about the units, yes, again, with the units, you can do the same thing. I will do it quickly. Data validation, and you can basically select settings list, and you can select it from here. Yes, kg number liters. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, and copy it till the end. See, I will delete it, and again I will do the same thing with Superstore. Now you have the idea what I am doing and how you can basically yourself can do it. Let me be quick. I know your time is precious and you need to spend your weekends with your family, and that's a good thing. So I will be quick, very quick. Copy it and paste it till the end. Okay, and then delete it. So you have values here. Here you can see kg number and liter is appearing, and at this cell check randomly kg number and appear is liter and kg and number is appearing, and here store 1 2 3 4 is appearing. So anything you want to write here, the default message will appear. Say uh, the mall, the mall, simple. Say the default message of Microsoft Excel is appearing. The value doesn't match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. So you will write retry and select it from here, Superstore 3, and here kgs or numbers. Okay, so with this, I have completed my session, and if you find it valuable, then I would request that kindly please like it, subscribe to my channel, so it would enable me to come up with further good lessons, and then share this my channel with others, so they would also get benefits out of it. Thank you very much for watching. Jazakallah.